online today. You've probably seen it. A Pennsylvania man, this man, accused of buying stolen human body parts. Authorities say he arranged the purchase through Facebook Messenger. So right now, he's currently out of jail on $50,000 bond, but faces numerous charges, including abuse of a corpse and receiving stolen property. So this begs the question, should law enforcement have access to Facebook messages, especially when a suspected crime is involved, and does Facebook hold any responsibility? Joining us now to discuss this, tech expert Burton Kelso. Burton, thanks for being here. I'm not sure if you saw this story online.
I did. It is one of the oddest things out there, and I think it's one of the things that Facebook just can't really control, because how often do you read stories about people buying body parts online? It's just
exactly.
rare.
Exactly. And you say that Facebook doesn't have any control. So I mean, that takes us to the question: does Facebook though have a responsibility here? I mean, is the only solution to this type of crime having Facebook monitor our private conversations and messages?
Well, they're already monitoring Facebook Messenger to verify that people aren't committing cyberbullying acts or child pornography acts through Messenger, because a lot of people will sneak on Messenger and try to do illegal things. But again, it is their responsibility to make sure that any crime doesn't happen. But this is kind of the rare and obscure.
Right.
So you kind of have to forgive Facebook in this instance.
So they monitor for cyberbullying, but not for the buying of stolen human remains, is what it sounds like.
Right.
Okay.
Right, exactly.
All right. Well, Burton Kelso, tech expert, we thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Have a great weekend.
No problem. Thank you.